your favorite part of the ritual?
The steam room. I didn't like that much, but
Dude, I thought I was gonna suffocate in there. I'm not gonna lie. After I was like, it felt so heavy.
cleared me out.
True, we are stuffy. We're a little bit sick, so it was a perfect thing to do after a travel day, and then feeling a little bit sick, going through all of the saunas and the steam rooms, and they had the body scrubs. It was just so nice and relaxing, and my favorite was the sauna room, just because of the view. It really calmed me down. It really relaxed my muscles. It was just fabulous. Obviously, the lagoon in general is just awesome, but just the sauna was really pretty cool to go in, and then just sitting down and having a drink. And the weather is so freaking perfect today. It's not too hot, not too cold. The sky is just super clear. I don't know if you guys see it. Super perfect weather. So couldn't have asked for more for our first few hours here in Iceland. And next we're gonna go to the church. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I don't think that one's for me. What he said. So that's where we're gonna go, and probably grab some food and just look around before we go to our whale watching tour. wind-up socks. What do we want? Cool American.
Good guys.
You're a cool American.
Hey.
Alright, what do we want to eat? God. We are here for the oranges. Well, Tyler believes if you're sick, eat as many oranges as your body can possibly eat
Work class.
to make it feel better.
4 to start.
Just a boy and his oranges. I am man. Man need groceries. Yeah, shut it.
Place item on scale. Select from list.
Trying Iceland hot dogs. I got the traditional, and he's got the pulled pork and pulled lamb and the béarnaise sauce. Béarnaise. Let's see what. Dang, that was a good bite. Yeah, good. Okay, my turn.
Getting that cozy. Fire?
That's really good.
Hey.
Finger licking food. The church agrees. It agrees.
Well, you gotta try mine now. Hold up. I'm trying the lamb one now.
Trying the lamb.
Don't take.
Oh my god, this is messy.
Don't take too big of a bite though. Careful with that.
What do I even begin here?
You just get in there.
That's also really good.
Can't really eat.
The crunch on it is insane.
Yeah.
That's insane.
No, it's
I love
fire.
it.
Fire.
Morning. Today is Iceland day 2. It is also our final day in Iceland, sadly, because we are only here for a little stopover. But I'm currently walking over to the water right now because the sun has risen and I just really want to go see a beautiful view when I wake up. Tyler is in the Airbnb still, just getting some sleep. I kept waking up and I hate that because I feel like shit. So I'm a little bit stuffed up and I just feel drained. But I'm really hoping that that turns around for me today because I'm sick of being sick. So I'm gonna still have fun regardless, but it's just annoying that I can't feel tip-top shape, as my brother would say. But I have a feeling this view is gonna change everything for me because it looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my god, no, you guys have to see this. This is so, so pretty. Look at this view. It does not get any better than this. Wow. Yeah, I would like to confirm that did make me feel better. That did in fact really heighten the spirits. Because how can you feel sick when you look at that? This is amazing. I truly am having a lot of fun here. It is so cute. The city is, I don't know what I expected out of Reykjavik, but it wasn't this. So I'm pleasantly surprised and I think it's so cute walking around and just seeing everybody having a good time, and then just catching glimpses of the mountain in the background is always a wonderful experience. So, having a great time. Would say 10 out of 10 stars. Having a bit of a moment right now. Just looking at this scenery and just taking it all in. I feel very grateful right now. I feel very grateful that I get to see things like this. I get to experience things like this and make memories and get choked up. Just be able to see it with the person I love, and just, it's unmatched. I'm in love with this life, and I'm so happy that I am able to go see the world. Very happy. 30. It's got a little bit of sediment in it, but we have had the okay to drink.
It still tastes really clean.
Really?
Yeah. Go ahead. Your turn. Get in there.
Wait, I'm scared.
Get a little scoop.
Your father is gonna be like, you should have brought the water tester.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's so
I didn't taste any graininess. Wow, it's still very fresh. 10 out of 10, folks. Pretty good. What do you have?
Meat soup.
Meat soup. Try it. Yeah? Meat soup.
Yeah, better.
It's good. Okay, and then what else? Carrot cake. Carrot cake. We're waiting on fish and chips, but
It's falling apart like the icebergs.
like the icebergs. Guys, I'm in a windstorm! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! Guys, do you think we're wet? This is the culprit. Oh my god. How you feeling?
A little wet.
A little wet. Just a little bit soaked. Nothing much. Was it worth it? Yeah, I would agree. Every bit of water was worth it. Yeah, we need towers. Now we have to drive like 2 hours back and soaking wet clothes, so still worth it. flavors did you get?
Mint, vanilla, disappointingly, because I didn't see they had strawberry cheesecake. But they're pretty good. Pretty fun.
Give it a go.
You're gonna give me look at this thing?
No, yeah.
Oh,
Put it in the...
let's get on the camera. Yeah, I like that. Smooth. That's really good. That's what? It's all on my face.
Yeah.
Oh.